Every so often, a dessert takes the internet by storm, but few have done it with the flair and mystique of the Dubai chocolate. A bite-sized piece of luxury, this chocolate is no ordinary treat. It's a multi-layered marvel, a crisp KFI crust, silky pistachio cream, and a thick, glossy coat of premium chocolate. The moment your teeth sink into it, there's a crunch, a melt, and a swirl of rich, nutty sweetness. First seen in elegant dessert boutiques in Dubai, it wasn't until 2023 that this chocolate exploded on social media, when a single ASMR video turned it into a global must-try. But what makes it so unique? How is it made? And why has it become such a worldwide obsession? Today, we go behind the scenes of the now iconic Dubai chocolate, from its artisanal origins to its viral rise, and how food lovers around the globe are now recreating it in their own kitchens. Coming up, the story begins not in a lab or factory, but in a modest chocolatier's workshop in the heart of the UAE. The story of Dubai chocolate begins in 2021 at Fix Dessert Chocolatier, a boutique sweets shop located in a shopping mall in Dubai. Known for their intricate creations, the team experimented with new textures and flavor pairings. One day, they wrapped creamy pistachio paste in a bundle of crispy KFI pastry, coated it in thick chocolate, and chilled it to perfection. The result? A luxurious bite that was simultaneously crunchy, creamy, nutty, and rich. Locally, the dessert drew attention, but globally it remained a secret until late 2023. That's when Maria Vihera, a Ukrainian influencer known for food ASMR videos, filmed herself biting into one. The video featured the now iconic sound, a sharp crack, followed by slow, mesmerizing chewing. In less than 48 hours, the video had 10 million views. Hashtags like #DubaiChocolate and Crunch Chocolate exploded on TikTok and Instagram. Fans from around the world began searching for it online. Those who couldn't find it locally, they tried to make it themselves. Soon, the Dubai chocolate wasn't just a dessert. It was a challenge, a trend, and a symbol of indulgent food culture. Proof that one perfect bite could travel the world without ever leaving your screen. To understand what makes Dubai chocolate so irresistible, let's break it down layer by layer. 1. The outer shell. This is usually made from high-quality milk or dark chocolate, melted and tempered until glossy. It serves as the firm, sweet barrier that gives the dessert its satisfying snap. 2. The KFI Crunch. KFI is a Middle Eastern pastry made of fine, shredded phyllo dough. When baked or fried, it turns light and golden, with an audible crunch. For Dubai chocolate, it's wrapped into a nest, adding both structure and texture. 3. The pistachio core. At the heart of the chocolate is a rich, creamy pistachio paste, often blended with white chocolate or tahini for smoothness. It's nutty, slightly salty, and contrasts perfectly with the sweet outer shell. Optional additions: some recipes add sea salt, chopped nuts, or even edible gold flakes to elevate the experience. What's remarkable is the balance: sweet and salty, soft and crisp, rich yet clean. Every element is curated not just for taste, but for texture, because this is a dessert designed to be heard as much as it is to be eaten. So, how is it actually made? Whether by hand in a small bakery or in a scaled-up kitchen, the process follows 6 main steps. Step 1. Preparing the KFI base. KFI dough is carefully unwound and shaped into small nests. These are lightly brushed with clarified butter and baked until golden brown. The baking must be precise. Too short and they're soggy. Too long and they lose the delicate texture. Step 2. Making the pistachio cream. Pistachios are blended with sugar, a splash of cream, and sometimes tahini or melted white chocolate to create a smooth, pipeable filling. Some makers strain the paste to remove chunks, achieving a silkier texture. Step 3. Assembling the core. Once the KFI nests cool, they're filled with a spoonful of pistachio cream. Some versions freeze the center for 30 minutes before dipping to maintain firmness. Step 4. Coating in chocolate. Chocolate is tempered, meaning it's carefully heated and cooled to ensure a glossy finish and a good snap. The filled KFI bites are dipped in this molten chocolate using tongs or skewers, then placed on parchment to set. Step 5. Decoration optional. Before the chocolate sets, some are dusted with crushed pistachios, sea salt, or edible gold. Others get an extra drizzle of white or dark chocolate for contrast. Step 6. Packaging and chill. Once hardened, chocolates are boxed and chilled until ready to serve. Served cold, the outer layer cracks audibly, the KFI crunches, and the pistachio melts on the tongue, delivering that now iconic multi-sensory bite. After its viral success, the Dubai chocolate became a template for innovation around the world. In the US, retailers like Trader Joe's quickly released their own takes. One version, made in Turkey by Pataslov, features dark chocolate and pistachio cream, sold in chilled packs. Shake Shack even briefly offered a Dubai chocolate milkshake in select locations, blending the core flavor profile into a creamy drink. In Japan, where novelty sweets are an art form, versions with matcha pistachio cream emerged. In India, some chefs swapped KFI for crumbled gulab jamun crusts. In Latin America, dulce de leche replaced pistachio. Despite the regional twists, the core remains: crunch, cream, chocolate. It's now a global canvas for local flavor. The beauty of Dubai chocolate is that it can be made at home, and people are making it. Since 2024, YouTube and TikTok have seen a boom in DIY tutorials. The hardest part is sourcing KFI pastry. Available in Middle Eastern markets or specialty stores, it can be substituted with shredded phyllo or even crispy noodles in a pinch. Pistachio cream can be homemade or store-bought, though foodies recommend using roasted pistachios for depth. A pinch of sea salt brings balance. The rest, just good chocolate and a little patience. What draws people in isn't just the taste. It's the joy of creating something luxurious. Something that looks like a $10 dessert, but was made with your own hands. In a world of fast food, the Dubai chocolate represents something rare. A moment of indulgence, art, and care in every bite. From a single sweet shop in the UAE to millions of phone screens across the world, Dubai chocolate is a symbol of modern dessert culture. It's handmade luxury turned viral, a case study in how texture, flavor, and social media can fuse into something unforgettable. More than just a treat, it's a movement, a reminder that food isn't just fuel. It's art, sound, sensation. It's culture on a plate. As food trends continue to go global in a matter of seconds, the story of Dubai chocolate offers lessons far beyond dessert. Simplicity can be powerful. The crunch of one bite can cross borders. And sometimes the quietest moment, that soft crack in an ASMR video, can spark a worldwide phenomenon. So whether you buy it from a boutique, recreate it at home, or watch someone else enjoy it online, one thing's clear: Dubai chocolate is more than a trend. It's a taste of how connected our world has become. One bite, one crunch, one share at a time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more food stories from around the world.